Hello again, it's Noob, and today we get to look at this lovely 6-pin dimple lock from the Netherlands. This is a NEMEF WZ cylinder. They do a 2-star SKG rated version of this. I don't think this is it, although it could be the same lock before they got the sort of accreditation. I don't know. It is just a standard dimple lock. It appears to have some cutouts on the edge of the key here, which don't appear to be for anything but some passive key control pins on the side. I can just see them, but I didn't have to pick them when I picked this lock a little bit earlier. The bitting is not too bad, lots of ups, lots of downs, some very high cuts, some very deep cuts, meaning there's some long key pins in positions 2 and 5 and a medium cut in position 4. All the rest are short key pins or a high cut, so they have to be lifted a little higher, or in this case pushed down a little lower in the lock. So let me grab a vise, get all set up, and we'll give it a pick and see if we can gut it. So here we are in the vise. The key works just as you'd expect. I have taken off a circlip at the back to make it hopefully a little easier to gut. Won't, I hope, affect the picking in any way, but I have to remember that it is off, so that I don't do something stupid and end up auto gutting the cylinder. So I need to find a nice broad turning tool, and I think what we can do, so I put it in the bottom like this. I should be able to tension the lock anti-clockwise, and then what I'll do is I'll find the right pick, which is this one. Yep, we'll try to pick the pins in a clockwise direction, so nothing on 1, 2 is binding a little bit, little click, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, little click on 5, 6, very deep and little, and that clicks very nicely. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 now, binding heavily, and little click. 5, 6, okay, back to the front, pin 1's now binding heavily, and we are open. So they all felt like standard pins inside that. One way to find out is to take this out and see if we can gut this. Now, I have the key, so I'm going to lock this back up. You can see that it's all fully open. I'm just going to lock it back up and see how we can use the key to get this off. Oh no, I've just noticed that there is a crimped, there's a crimped circlip around this, which is impossible to get off unless you cut it. So they must slide this on when it's being assembled, and then literally just crimp it in with a tool, and that, unless I cut that, is impossible. I don't really have a good way of doing that. So yeah, that's a bit of a shame, but that's the NEMEF WZ cylinder. I don't think there's any spools in this. I didn't feel any. It felt like all standards. Fun little lock, but otherwise a little bit unremarkable. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. If you have any comments about this lock or know what's inside it, please leave them below. I do read all the comments genuinely and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, I'll see you all next time.